Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today we are going to review and test out these nail vinyls. I'm very excited because this is a brand new product for me. I was contacted by La Cosedora to see if I'd be interested in reviewing her nail vinyls on my YouTube channel, and of course I said yes. These products are designed and made in Colombia, guys. You guys will have to check out her social media connections. I will have those down in the description bar. But you can order these, you can get these from Amazon, okay? These came directly to me from a Kentucky warehouse of Amazon. So it only took a very few days to get to me. And I'm very excited to bring them to my channel and introduce them to you guys. As you can see here, these are a couple of different types of designs of these vinyls. And let me flip them over so you can see on the back you have instructions on how to use them. And yes, some of the instructions here you have this in Spanish, but yes, I think, and you can, just like when we get products from China, a lot of us can figure out by, you know, just looking at these little pictures, or of course turning into your social media like YouTube channels like these, and you'll see much better examples and tutorials on how to use products such as these. So yes, I'm very excited to use these and play with, and let me tell you, believe it or not guys, believe it or not, I am a nail vinyl virgin. Yes. I have some around here that I did not purchase myself. It was more of in a little game that I play with my friends in Instagram. Never came around to using them just yet. So this will be my first time working with these, and I am going to give these a test drive on regular polish here on my nails. So you guys are going to see me doing that. Let me go ahead and open these. So just to tell you a little bit about La Cosedora, guys, you have to, like I said, you have to go check out their social media connections. She was just on, for those familiar with the show here in the US, Shark Tank. Trying to see how the best way to go about cutting this open. So for those of you familiar with the show Shark Tank, there is a local channel to Colombia that they have Shark Tank in Colombia. And so she just appeared in front of all those sharks on the Shark Tank show just last week. I'm still trying to get a hold and see if I can watch her. I've only seen clips. So yes, she got to present her product and her ideas and her business ideas in front of the sharks. So I'm sure that was quite exciting for her and her company to get the exposure. So I will tell you guys, go check her out, check out her products and on Amazon, and give her the support just like any nail artist would. Oh, check these out. So this one, you get 3 sheets. The colors are fun. So this one has, there's some swirlies here, some heart spiral hearts, and some what looks like some spears or gears, and some waves, some circles, more hearts, and some chevrons or zigzags in there. This one has more chevron, more spirals. These are a lot of fun. Some that look more like flowers and waves. And this one's a little bit more geometric with some squares and stars. And these are nice for French tips. Okay, so this one with the swirls and the different types of designs is the 433. So item number 433. And yes, so you see here how it has in Spanish, plantillas para decoración de uñas. Very nice. Okay, let's open this one up. And this one, as you can see, is the 601. So this one, let's see what kind of designs. Ooh, nice colors. Okay, so 3 sheets also. This one, so yeah, we do have some chevrons there and some other, I don't know if you can, oh, if I turn this maybe on the line, you can kind of tell the different designs. So with these, you can create somewhat of like some Aztec kind of or tribal types of nail designs. So here's some more different waves and some straight lines there. some that are good for French tips in the gold, and this one in the green. So more even straight lines in different thickness. So these are thin, these will be thicker, and yeah, so these are quite fun. So I am going to play with these things. I'm going to think of something in a way that I'm going to apply them into a design today. Oh, and guys, Achela Cosedora was nice enough to give me a code for my viewers. So you will have a 20% off these items if you're so interested in test them out. Again, remember, there will be on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar. I will have my discount code down in the description bar as well, and I am going to put it across the screen right here, so you'll see that. Just apply that for a 20% discount. So let's go ahead and get started on the tutorial. Here I have applied my base colors, and if you like to recreate this, the black and white glitter is this polish by Claire's, and it's called Splatter Paint. I've had that for a while. The yellow, pink, and green that I use for these other two nails, I just bunched those on. The yellow is this one by Barrielle, and this one is called Lemon Drops. It's a very bright yellow. The pink one is by Charming Charlie's right here, and the name of it is Orchid Elegance. The green one is a very familiar one by Sally Hansen, and this one is called Irish Luck. And I went ahead and finished them up with my top coat. I used Sedge Feet. I applied 2 coats on the glitter nails and let them completely dry. Now let's go ahead and move on with the vinyls. Okay guys, so here's the final result after I did some minor cleanup and applied top coat. I used my Sage top coat. What do you guys think? How did I do it? Like I said, first time working with vinyls. Now let me tell you about my personal experience with these. For being the first time, I really liked them. They were super fun. I was very worried about this one, the way that spiral went in there. Of course, I think you saw me. So the very last piece of the tail there, I wanted to make sure it was spaced out evenly, just like the rest of it. And it went, I was peeling that off and I was like, oh, this is going to work. And you saw how easy they were to reposition on the nails. I think this one, this very last one, I kept repositioning and making sure those squares were lined up as perfect as I could get them with the point of my nail. This one, I think it turned out super cool. Yeah, it turned out, I mean, this is exactly what I was going for in this. Now this one, I only wish my pink color here was a little bit more pigmented to hide more of the black and white glitter there. But check it out, how fun is this? Yes, they were pretty easy to peel off of the sheets, the back sheets, to place some of my nails. And remember that I had top coat on. You always want to have top coat. Sage top coat, it's perfect for these. And so they had good enough adhesion to adhere well to my nails and not lose any of the shape. You see, so I used some of the ones that have are curves and straight lines with these two right here, and they did really well. Yes, I have to say, guys, I am impressed. So again, I will have, remember that I have a 20% discount. You can get these for 20% from Amazon, so you guys can give them a try. I will have the links down in the description bar. And I would like to thank La Cosedora for sending me these products to play with and review for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.